Welcome to the Zotero video series. In this series, I will show you how to use Zotero version 7. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Zotero plugin for Microsoft Word. When you install the desktop version of Zotero, the Zotero Microsoft Word plugin should automatically be installed. When you open up your Word document, you should notice this new tab up here called Zotero. And when you click it, you should be able to access Zotero's Word plugin menu. In order for the plugin to work, it's usually best to have the desktop version of Zotero open and minimized in the background. When you have a sentence you would like to cite, you can simply click with your cursor where you would like to insert that citation, and click the Add or Edit Citation button in the upper left-hand corner. If this is the first time inserting a citation into the document, Zotero will ask which citation style you would like to use. If you don't see the style you would like to use, you can click on the Manage Styles option. As a note, Zotero might automatically minimize that menu. If so, you can just hover your mouse over the Zotero logo in your toolbar, and then click the Zotero settings menu that was minimized. From there, you can click Get Additional Styles to find additional styles from Zotero. Once you have selected the style you would like to use, you can simply click the OK button, and Zotero will give you a search bar to search for your citations in your Zotero library. From there, we can do a search of a citation. Typically, I search by title, but you can also search by author, and then you can simply click to select a citation. You can also insert multiple citations at once by simply doing another search, and again, selecting that citation you would like to use. Once you're finished selecting citations, all you have to do is hit the Enter key on your keyboard to insert those citations. You can also add citations to a manuscript retrospectively. To do this, you'll simply follow the same steps of clicking where you would like to insert that citation, clicking the Add Edit Citation button, doing your search, and then hitting Enter on your keyboard. And as you can see, Zotero automatically updated those little superscripts for me in the manuscript. You can also search specific groups for your citations. To do this, we're going to hit our Add Edit Citation button again. And what you can do to access the Classic menu in Zotero is you can click this little drop down next to the Z and click Classic View. What this does is it allows you to access specific folders in your Zotero library. So if we click one and find the citation we would like to use and click OK, that'll insert that citation as well. You can also insert a bibliography to your manuscript at any point in the process. To do this, you'll simply put your cursor where you would like to insert the bibliography and click Add Edit Bibliography. And that should automatically insert the bibliography in your preferred style at the end of your document. You only have to do this once. As you insert citations into your manuscript, that bibliography should automatically update with those new citations. So if we were to insert a citation here, as you can see, it automatically updated our bibliography for us. You can also change the citation style in your document at any time. To do this, you can simply click Document Preferences and select the other style you would like to use. So we'll do APA 7th edition and click OK. And as you can see, it reformatted the entire document in that new citation style. As a note, if you ever want to make edits to your bibliography, you'll have to make those edits in Zotero itself and not manually in your Word document. This is because when you refresh the citations or insert a new citation into the document, the citations will just revert back to what they look like in Zotero. Let me show you an example. So if I were to try to modify this citation and insert a new citation into my document, let's just insert the same one again. As you can see, it reverted that citation back to what it looks like in Zotero. So if we wanted to edit that citation, we'd want to go into Zotero, find the citation we would like to edit, and make the edits via Zotero. Once you're finished making the edits in that right-hand preview pane, you can simply click out of it to save your changes. And then you'll go back to your Word document and click this refresh button in the Zotero toolbar. And that should update your citations with the changes you made in Zotero. As a note, the Zotero Word plugin is not compatible with documents in Google Drive. So if you were to upload this document into Google Drive and make an edit to it, it might break the citations in your Word document where they're no longer connected to Zotero. If you would prefer to use Google Drive for saving your manuscript, take care to write your manuscript in Google Docs and use Zotero's plugin for Google Docs. Thanks for watching. For additional information or support, visit the eBling Library website at https://ebling.library.wisc.edu and click the Help button in the upper right-hand corner of the page for assistance.